sacrificing his only son so that we can all be free. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty, but it just makes me feel so sad to sit and drift away from God and turn back to the evil ways. Come back to the Almighty. It's for freedom. You've been set free. It's for freedom. It's for freedom. Don't you go back to your slavery. It's for freedom. It's for freedom. The Lord, He has a plan and He wants you to prosper. It's not for freedom to sin, but to serve each other in love. It is for freedom that you have been set free. So don't go back to the way things used to be. It's for freedom. You've been set free. It's for freedom. It's for freedom. Don't you go back where you used to be. It's for freedom. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it breaks my heart in two. See a brother slip away from their walk with the Almighty. Well, it just makes me feel so sad to see them walk away from God and go back to their evil ways. Run back to the Almighty. So don't go back to Egypt. Don't go back to Rome. Don't go back to Babylon. That place is not your home. No, don't go back to Egypt. Don't go back